gonna just let it go as a slingshot. Go ahead, pull it back, let it go.
Here's it. Pull it back right here. Pull it back. Yeah. Take both hands. Both hands. Close. Close the fingers here. Pull it back.
Oh.
See? You ain't gonna get the magazine. No, you hold it.
Now to lock it to the rear, you're gonna slide your thumb
No.
all the way around and push this up.
This?
Yep. Slide your thumb, slide your hand all the way around so your thumb can push this up. When you push this up, you're gonna push this to the rear. Oh, here. When you slide all the way around, you're gonna push straight up.
No.
Then you're gonna
The other hand.
lock that,
No,
push
you
that
won't.
slide back.
Since I'm lefty,
Reach right on top.
would I use my?
Can't pull it
You
back.
might have to
You're
switch
trying
hands.
to
Yeah,
pull it
you
straight.
might have to
I
switch
just
hands.
did.
Yep.
No, I
Okay.
told you this way. Up.
You can't pull it back. See if you can pull it back. There you go.
No,
All
turn
right,
your
now
hand over.
you're gonna grab and push this way. Push it up and grab right over top
You need
and
to
push that back.
instead of doing
But
that.
don't put the finger on the trigger at all. Push it up. Look in there. You see one of the bottom of the like this right next to it, right there. Grab that.
Oh, there's really this up.
Give it a try.
Get your hand where you turn. You gotta push
So that means you're gonna work the slide. This is the slide. This is the frame. And we're gonna say put your index finger alongside the frame. That's the lower part of the gun. So that's where your finger's gonna go.
When you're not
When we're not shooting. All right. Any other time we're not shooting, the gun is gonna be in the holster. Don't walk around the range with the gun in our hand. All right. We get to a high range once we start using live ammo. So safety is gonna be the most important. I don't want to tell nobody's parents say, "Oh, I'm sorry." All right. All right. So that time, these times we might yell at you. All right, and tell you that you might be doing something safe. Don't take it personal. Don't think we directing you, pointing you out to be mean at you, anything like that. We're just gonna yell to make sure that you understand and hear us, because you might have your ears on. Okay? Everybody understand that?
Yes.
If I yell at you and call your name and tell you doing something wrong, that's only because we don't want nobody to get hurt. All right, now with your dummy round. Everybody got dummy round in.
Yep.
You're gonna lock the slide to the rear first. Don't worry about speed. All right, everybody. Draw. That's right, slow down. Back to the holster. Take your time. Don't worry about speed. That's when people get hurt. And what are you looking at me for? Face target. Yeah.
Shoot like you play football.
There you go.
Go.
tapping.
All right, no fingers on the trigger. Very good. Back to the holster. Go. Back to the holster. All right, draw and load your weapon. Drop that hammer, Jaden. We're gonna start making you do push-ups every time you forget to do it. Fire! Come back this way. Drop your hand. Clear? All right, and hold.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.